welcome to Impress TV. My name is Richmonda, and today we are with Josip, who is the president of the Council of the Youth Advisory Board of Croatia. And yes, today we had an exciting moment whereby youth from different parts of the world met in this auditorium to exchange ideas and to also talk about the problem that are affecting the youth, and also on how to promote the sustainable development goals at the local level. Yes, welcome, Mr. Josip.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so Mr. Josip, in your own opinion, you've listened to what the youth were saying. What do you think are some of the problems that the youth in Croatia are facing?
So the big problem in Croatia is traffic, how to connect the rural areas with the urban areas. Also the education, which we have higher education, which is really good developed in Croatia, but some people, some youths are not willing to stay here. They want to migrate to go into Europe. Today we see that the problem, one of the problems is how to get back those youths which are living in Croatia. So maybe we need to do some kind of programs that will introduce to those who left Croatia to ask them to come back. So those are only few problems.
Yes, so viewers, as you heard, Josip said that there are a lot of policy reforms that need to be done so that at least youth that are leaving the country would return back. So, Mr. Josip, I just want to just tell the youth right now, what do you think they can do to promote the sustainable development goals in their own level in relation to this problem that is happening in Croatia for the youth?
So there are 17 goals. I think that each person, each youth can find what they can do for themselves, for their community, to choose one of the goal and try to get better in that field in which he's willing to do his best to change something.
Okay, so youth should take the initiative, to embark on fulfilling these sustainable development goals. Yes, it is possible for us to reach this agenda 2030, and we are making every effort, what it takes to ensure that these sustainable development goals are fulfilled. Thank you, Mr. Josip, for joining us.
Thank you.